All right, do a quick little outside tour of this 1997, excuse me, 1977 Airstream 31-foot Sovereign. Her name is Serenity. She's been gone through a year-long remodel progress, complete gut on the inside for the most part, and then outside polish, obviously, under frame work. Belly pan was dropped, frame was fixed and welded and replaced anywhere it needed it, especially the rear end. New axles, new tires. Basically, it's a complete refurbish. New window seals, door seals, whole 9 yards. New LED lights, marker lights and running lights throughout, and then all interior are LED as well. But anyway, I'll just take a quick tour here and probably do different voiceover later because I'm not making sense right now. But awning's in great shape, as you can see. It's the original Zipty awning hardware. It would shock me if the canvas was original. As you can see, it's in excellent shape, but it's certainly in great usable condition still. Most of the push pins and cotter pins, locking pins and ratchet pins on all of the awning hardware are all replaced and new. So it's all been gone through and refurbished and works as good as it was new. Got non-skid on the steps. Open the door here quick. Of course I locked it. I'll get the keys in a minute. Wasn't planning on doing this tonight. Tail lights all redone. New lenses, marker lights, reflectors. All LED bulbs. Original 1977 Oklahoma license plate. So over here, it's hard to tell. The exterior is in mostly good condition. Actually, before I get to that spot, there's one other marker or issue on this side I just want to show, just full disclosure. It's got a tiny crack in the belly pan right here. If you can make that out. Just a little split there. And then about the only other issue on the body of the exterior, other than a little scratch, well, almost no scratches because it just got polished, but you know, minor tiny rock dent here and there. It's really hard to make out. If you can tell the distortion, it's rippled in here, and this is actually much more obvious before it got polished. Since it got polished, you really got to know it's there before you notice it. But as you can tell up there, nice and mirror smooth, and then down here it's just got a little bit of a wrinkle, something in its life backed into it or hit it right here, and they popped it out as best they could. But on the corner curved piece like that, kind of got to live with it. But again, very not noticeable. Brand new water heater, gas. Original Armstrong air conditioner. I did not replace that because it works fantastically well. It'll freeze you out. If it's 90 degrees and humid outside, that thing works on the original Freon, and it is fantastic. So I would keep that and recondition it, and if you get it recharged, keep it going as long as you can before ever replacing it, because you ain't ever going to find ones that work as well as those things do. They may use slightly more power on the compressor than a modern one does, but they blow the air a heck of a lot colder. In here we got the access to the fridge compartment for venting and lighting it on propane. The fridge is also original and works off of propane and AC, and again, I did not replace that because it still works fantastically well, and I hate throwing away stuff that works, especially that I've read some new fridges can go bad while they're still under warranty after a year or two. This thing's 50 years old and still going strong. So again, kind of a fan of the old stuff as long as it works as good or better than new stuff. And coming around to the front here, got the propane tanks polished, electric jack, super handy on this thing. So all the new running gear, anti-sway and Reese load leveler, super heavy duty, is all brand new, only been used twice, works great. And so there's a quick little tour of the outside, and I will do the inside soon. Bye for now.